H-Teamers! Welcome to Physics Labs!
There's two types of collisions that we see in the real world. There's inelastic, where they stick together and actually don't separate, and then there's elastic, where they actually bounce off of each other. What you're going to see in this lab is the fact that also how much mass you contain, which is kind of what our weight is here on Earth, matters in collisions, as well as the speed that either body is traveling.
Cut an opening or a little door in your cup about 2 inches high and 1 inch thick. Or as wide as a ruler.
The more momentum there is, the harder the collision there is. So like this. Each time I go higher, the collision goes farther as the cup goes farther.
As you can see, more speed with its mass created a longer collision.
H-Teamers, I hope you had so much fun playing with all the physics experiments. Don't forget to share them with all our social medias.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!